first stone fortress in Romanian land, bastion of anti-Ottoman resistance, pearl of the crown of the rulers of Wallachia, the medieval fortress had been the capital of Banat of Severin for 3 centuries, starting with 1233. Litovoi and probably Vlaicu Vodă Mihail I rulers died here defending it. For over 300 years, it represented the key to the Danube's entry into Central Europe and was part of an entire defense system on both sides of the Danube. In 1370, the second metropolis of the Wallachia was organized here. The head of the city was named Ban, and most of the Wallachian rulers bore this title. The fortress was conquered by Soliman the Magnificent in 1524 and demolished in 1526. Mircea the Old will also be Ban of Severin, and in 1406 he will sign with the Hungarian king, Sigismund of Luxembourg, a treaty of anti-Ottoman alliance exactly in the fortress of Severin, which from that moment on will have as a unique goal the defense against the Turkish danger. Iancu Hunedoara will be Ban of Severin between 1438 and 1445. The fortress of Severin will be conquered by Soliman the Magnificent in 1524, who after the Battle of Moax in 1526 orders the demolition of it and the curved stones to be used for the construction of other citadels in the southern part of the Danube, such as the Fetislan fortress over the Danube.
She is old, wise, and imposing. In the past, many battles have been fought for its conquest, but in the end, it has chosen to be loyal to our country. It is a place full of ancient memories. The Severin fortress had a maximum importance in the Middle Ages, being a real gateway between Eastern and Western Europe. At present, it has been rebuilt, finding a place among the remains of Dreptătorul Severin. Built on the border between Catholicism and Orthodoxy, the medieval fortress of Severin was from the beginning a military and religious dispute between the Hungarian crown, Bulgarians, and Wallachian voivodes, between Catholics and Orthodox. During the maximum period of its construction, it had 6 defense towers being surrounded by 2 concentric waves of stone and a deep water ditch. It was rectangular in shape, with unprocessed walls of river stones, glued with mortar. In the center of the fortress there was a chapel built with materials taken from the Roman camp Drobeta, located a little further. The chapel was surrounded by graves. A hearth oven for processing weapons was also discovered in the fortress. In 1524, after a devastating attack by the Turks of Soliman the Magnificent, only 1 tower remained standing in the fortress. The fortress has never been completely rebuilt. Now, restored, a small part of what was once a real defense fort, which later became a fortress, is quietly waiting for its tourists to tell them its millennial story.
Opposing dungeon, 6 defense towers, 2 concentric stone walls, and a deep trench with water. After its conquest, the inhabitants of Severin moved to Cerneți, a nearby area, more protected from the attackers. The Banat of Severin will split into 2. The part of Oltenia, which will come under the authority of the Craiovas Bani, the western part, from Moșova towards Făget, will become the Banat itself. Vlaicu Vodă established the second metropolitan church of Wallachia in the medieval fortress in 1370, the first metropolitan being Antim Critopoulos. In 1382, the Latin episcopate of Severin was established here, the first bishop being Gregorius. The Roman Catholic Church inside the fortress had as a spiritual patron Saint Severin de Noricum, in Italian known as San Severino. With the change of the fortress rulers, the church changed its confessional worship, becoming Latin or Orthodox, depending on the religion of the new reign.
Here, almost 2000 years ago, the Roman Empire, through the voice of Trajan and the skill of Apollodorus of Damascus, the engineer and architect at the gates of Rome, built a bridge over the river Istru, Danube, that will connect Upper Moesia and Dacia. Going further, Trajan also has the construction of a camp tolling the two provinces. Centuries pass and the geographical area where the city of Severin is located today becomes a strategic point for future military campaigns. The first stone fortress in Romania, bastion of anti-Ottoman resistance, pearl of the crown of the rulers of Wallachia, medieval fortress was the capital of Banat by Severin for 3 centuries, starting with 1233. Today, the Severin fortress is no longer a ruin. European funds have been invested here, and I am glad to know that they are trying to restore some historical monuments of great value for Romania. The exterior-interior walls are today quite solid and impressive for any tourist.